Now I'm going to teach you how to crochet a rose. Start by wrapping the cotton thread around the little finger of your hand. Then hang it on your index finger. Pinch this cotton thread. We'll start by crocheting 37 chains. Start by tying a knot. Then pull the crochet hook through the knot and tighten it. Pull it tight and crochet 37 chains. After crocheting 37 chains, afterwards we will start from the fourth to last coil. Fourth from the bottom. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crochet from the fourth loop. In this place, wrap cotton thread around a crochet hook. From the fourth coil, hook a double crochet. Pass the first 2 coils through. Crochet further back. Crochet a double crochet followed by 2 chains. Then wind the thread. Crochet a double crochet in the same loop. Like this. After this, crochet downwards, leaving 2 loops empty. Skip 2 coils. Crochet from the third loop. Here you can see my demo. You are counting from the back here. Skip 2 after crocheting here. So we'll crochet from here. Start crocheting a double crochet. Then hook 2 chains. It's still the same. Hook a double crochet inside this loop. After this set of crochet, in the same way as before, skip the first 2 laps. Continue crocheting from the third loop. Crochet a double crochet followed by 2 chains. Then the wire is wound. Still inside the same coil. Then hook a double crochet. In the same crochet method as before. Repeat the same action. Skip 2 coils. Crochet a double crochet in the third loop. Then hook 2 more chains. Wrap the cotton thread again. Hook another double crochet in the same loop. Crochet this chain straight through in that order. Crochet a double crochet, then 2 chains. Crocheting on repeat all the time. Then skip 2 coils. Crochet a double crochet in the 3rd loop. Crocheting 2 chains. Crocheting a double crochet. Repeat this crochet method. Keep hooking this chain all the way through. Each time I jump 2 loops and crochet the next one. Every group is the same. Skip 2. Then hook a double crochet. Don't forget to wrap the cotton thread. We are done crocheting on this side. If we are done crocheting, we'll just turn it over. Turn over and crochet a chain. Chain. After crocheting, it looks like this. 1, 2, 3. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A total of 12 groups were crocheted. Then we'll turn it over and crochet a chain. Then we'll just crochet 7 double crochet in the first loop. Crocheting a chain and then winding the thread. Crochet 7 double crochet in a large loop. After completion, we are on the next coil. Don't jump over. In the second loop, we crochet a single crochet. Wrap it right through this coil. Hook a single crochet. After crocheting, that's it for this group. Wrap cotton thread around a crochet hook. After crocheting a single crochet stitch, then wind the thread. Crocheting a chain. Crochet around the thread after single crochet. After the single crochet, so we've got 7 double crochet hooks here. We'll hook a single crochet in the second loop. And finally, hook a chain. Then from the third coil, And then we're going to crochet down 2 coils as a group, 7 double crochets and 1 single crochet. It's the same after that. After winding the cotton thread, crochet inside the third loop, 7 double crochet. Seven double crochet hooks, and then we'll crochet them one by one. There's a single crochet here, and then hook a chain. Okay, after this group we can move on to the next one. Crochet around cotton thread. In the next hole, crochet 7 double crochet. Then crochet them one by one all the way down as I showed you. Do not skip coils. Start crocheting inside the next loop. Crochet a single crochet, then a chain. Then we crochet 7 double crochets. We'll just follow this step and repeat to finish crocheting the following. Now we're almost done crocheting the petals of the rose. This is the last loop of the petal, still crocheted as before. After all the crocheting is done, we pull the cotton threads all the way through. Then we roll it up and it's a rose. Now we wrap the iron wire around it to make a rose shape. Let's fold this iron wire in half. Once folded in half, we threaded the iron wire through the petals of the rose. Go through the gap. Once that's done, we'll start making the roses. Here we have to pay attention to the front and back, do not get the front side wrong. We can glue it firmly when we make it. Here we can take a glue stick and stick it. Avoid spreading out at the back. Here we are using a glue stick to stick it together. The rose is now complete. Pinch it up a bit in the middle here. Now it's still not very strong down here, so we still need to use cotton thread to sew it up. At the bottom, we use a needle and thread to fix it. Once it's secured, we'll cut off this cotton thread, so it won't fall apart.